Hi guys, when you're traveling to the Russian Chocolate Factory tour, when you come from the Metro Demiska, you should walk down from the sidewalk and come down all the way to McDonald's and to the bus station and come over here to this underground pathway to Russian Chocolate Factory tour. Over here. Come this way. After you meet our destination, we'll come in here and we'll meet inside at 4 p.m. We'll meet over here. We'll be right here. Saturday, December 11, 4 p.m. Our international group will meet here. So be on time. See you soon.